Hi, everyone. Welcome to Daily English for Beginners. Today, we are going to enjoy a simple English conversation between a customer and a barista at a coffee shop. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the conversation. Let's start.
Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to our coffee shop. How can I help you today? I would like to order a coffee, please. Sure. We have different types of coffee. Would you like a regular coffee, cappuccino, or latte? I would like a cappuccino, please. Sure. Would you like it hot or cold? I would like a hot cappuccino. Great choice. Would you like any sugar in your coffee? Yes, please. I would like 1 spoon of sugar. No problem. Would you like anything to eat with your coffee? Yes, I am a little hungry. What do you recommend? Our chocolate cake and sandwiches are very popular. That sounds good. I would like a cheese sandwich, please. Sure. Would you like anything else? No, that's all. Thank you. Okay, your order is 1 hot cappuccino with 1 sugar and a cheese sandwich. Yes, that's correct. Your total is $8. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. You can pay here. Thank you. You're welcome. After a few minutes, excuse me, here is your cappuccino and sandwich. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Please be careful. The coffee is hot. Thank you for letting me know. Would you like to sit here or take your order with you? I would like to sit here, please. Sure. You can sit near the window. It is a nice place. Thank you. This coffee shop is very comfortable.
Thank you. We try to make our customers feel welcome. I really like the atmosphere here. It is quiet and relaxing. That's great to hear. Many people come here to work, study, or spend time with friends. I can understand why. I think I will visit again. We will be happy to see you again. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you for watching Daily English for Beginners. I hope you enjoyed today's conversation. Follow us for more simple and useful English conversations. See you in the next lesson.